I'm down here at Bauman Farm and Garden. I'm with Brian. Brian, it's Father's Day weekend.
Yes.
It's June, and it's strawberry season.
As a ode to my father, we give every dad on the Saturday before Father's Day free strawberry shortcakes. This is his favorite berry of all time. You can always expect that at Dad's house when we head over. And today only, free strawberry shortcake for all dads.
And it's June. It's been a little delayed, so we have been waiting for the strawberries.
Oh my
I have
gosh.
not had any yet, so I know some are going to go home with me, but
It's
they
exciting.
look delicious.
And it's been, you know, a little bit of sunshine. They're finally starting to sweeten up. It's great. It's the first of berry season, and this is the first one.
So I know they look delicious. And we're also, we got to mention, we're standing in front of a new area.
We completely remodeled our parking lot. Everybody was kind of like, Brian, you're taking out the
Right.
garden. Well, we're putting in a brand new garden and a new space for you to come out and enjoy with your family. In fact, next Saturday is going to be our grand opening. We're going to be pouring cider out here, bring the family out, come in the yard, play some cornhole, hang out at Bauman Farms.
Excellent. And so make sure you come down today
Yes,
to get your
sorry.
strawberries for Dad.
Yes.
And visit you throughout the season. Come down, check out the new space, and visit all the great things they have going on down here at Bauman Farm. So, Brian, it's always a
Thanks.
pleasure to be down here.
It's time for berries.
Let's go eat.